Hi, it's Tommy here, the author of the book of Explorational Journeys, Part 1 in the Self-Help Guide. We have finally completed Chapter 1, which was Courage is about letting go of fear. And my final chapter thoughts is courage is not absence of fear, but the decision to act in spite of it. By identifying your fear, reframing them, and taking intentional steps towards bravery, you can build resilience and confidence to pursue the life of authenticity and purpose. Remember, courage grows with each small act of bravery. So keep those steps moving forward. Let's go of fear and embrace the freedom that comes with living courageously. So, yeah, you've all done absolutely well supporting and following me through this chapter. We have the next chapter coming up is chapter 2, which I realize I was enough. So I hope to see you on here soon. Don't forget to click like and subscribe at the bottom, and I hope you have a wonderful day.